Righto, so prior to putting new jets in, we've given the carbies, this is the one from the left of the bike, doesn't really matter which one it is, but done the right one. Nice hot ultrasonic bath. I've put it through 3 times. The first time with a little bit of dishwashing liquid. I've uploaded a photo to YouTube showing you how much crud came off it, and then I put it through for 2 more rinses, changing the water to just straight clean water for each rinse, just to make sure that there's no residue of detergent or whatever inside the carby. So prior to doing that, I removed the 3 jets, and this is the float chamber, so I've obviously removed the float, the mixture screw, and on the other side I've removed the main jet needle plunger with diaphragm, and on the inside here in the throat there's also a little collar. Let's see if I can, it's here somewhere, here we go, and that sits in a small hole at the bottom of the main jet hole in here, and the main jet needle passes through that collar. It can only be put in one way round, or it's wrong. I do have another video about that already, so I'll put down a link in the description so that you can find that if you need to. And then a bit of a blast with to take away all the little droplets of water, and we'll be good to put in the new jets.